Welcome back to Be a Sponge. In this activity, we create a project where a unicorn will be accessing a castle. So with that, let's get started. So, instructions. Press green flag button to start. Answer 3 questions to enter castle. Good luck. I'll make this bigger. Press go. What is your name? It saves my history as 2, so be a sponge. Welcome, Be a Sponge. You can enter in the castle if you will answer 3 questions. What is 2 times 5? 10. What is 1 times 8? That's easy. 8. What is 8 times 6? Ooh, that's hard. 48. Ooh, we got it. We're accidental. Welcome, friend. But it still goes on to say 5 times 3. What is that? It's 53. Oh, I was wrong, so we had to go back. What is 4 times 2? 8. Okay, we're here. So we'll now talk about the coding of this project. So let's get started. With that, let's get started. First, let's get rid of this cat because we want to use a unicorn as our sprite. There you go. And with that, I want to put a background with castle. So we'll pick this one and this one. As you can see, we have 1 costume, but we have 2. Now let's get to the code. So let's start with an event. When they click the start button, set. Let's create a new variable called first number. And okay, so first number 20. Then let's get another variable and make another one called second number. Okay, second number, and we'll create another variable because we need the right answers. So with that, okay, and these will all be set to 0 for now. Then we're gonna go to ask what's your name and weight, then variable, change that to make a new variable called your name. Okay, scroll that down and your name too. answer. Then say, now we're going to use the joint again. So the operation let's go back to operation and say join welcome, comma, and your name next. You say you can enter in the castle if you will answer 3 questions correctly. Next, we're gonna go to the events and broadcast. New message. Start questions. Okay. Start questions. Then we're going to the control and click on the forever block. And set first number to pick random number 1 to 10, then set second number, operator again, pick random number 1 to 10. Ooh, we didn't go in there. There we go. Say what is ask join variable first number, another operator, place it there. X variable second number and wait. If else next we go to the operator and click on this one, the equal sign, place it right in there, go to sensing and say pull on the answer, equal to, go down back to operator and multiplication, replaces the 50 and go to variables, first number, oops, let's try it again. How about we try this number, then second number, and drag that in there. Then go to control, actually it's variable, change right answer by 1 if it's correct, if, and say correct. So it doesn't say it repetitively. Let's say change it to for 2 seconds. So, correct. Else, say try again, please. For 2 seconds. Let's see what happens. What's your name? Be a sponge. There it goes. You can enter in a castle. That's really fast. 8 times 8 is 64. Correct. What is 5 times 50? 510? Oh! 5 times 5, 25. Correct. 7 times 1, 71. Oh. Since we tried that, we see some data here, so I'm gonna zoom out to do some other stuff. So when backdrop, make it a little bit lighter and put that right here. So when backdrop, how about you just squeeze in there and just scoot over. When backdrop switches to castle 2, let's see, Which ones are castles? We have castle 2 and castle 1. We could of course change the name to Castle Gate and Castle that Castle Sound. I'm sorry. Say. Welcome. Friend. 2 seconds. And go back to events and grab this. Having a little hard time there. And clicked. Switch. Backdrop to Castle Gate. Then control to forever. If operator the equal sign right in there, if variable right answer right in the circle is equal to 3, then switch backdrop to Castle. With that, let's make this bigger and see how it goes. And see if you have to troubleshoot. What's your name? Be a sponge. Enter. Welcome, be a sponge. One part we need to fix is change the image. So we noticed that the gate was the first thing, so we need to switch a few variables from this to say Castle Gate, and this to say Castle, and this one to say Castle Gate. Now let's see what happens. That's correct. What's your name? B. With that, let's make this bigger. B. Sponge. Enter. What is 7 times 3? 21. I got 3 questions correct. So let's try it again. The only thing we need to fix is the right answer to be 0. Other than that, I forgot to switch it. We could do it and I'll go back to 0. There we go. So be a sponge is my name. Enter. You could make some sound to that too. You can enter in the castle if you enter 3. So first number is 9 and 1. It's written there, and the horse unicorn says it too. That's easy. 9. Correct. What is 2 times 5? 10. Correct. What is 2 times 10? 210? Try again, please. What is 1 times 5? Think I got this one. 15. Oh. What is 1 times 5? So 51 this time? No. What is 5 times 7? Oh, I got this. 57. Oh. So if you get 3 wrong, it's okay, but I ask you again, 1 times 5 is, I think, 5. Welcome, friend. We got access. Because we answered 3 correctly. It says first number and second number are changing, so let's see what happens. Oh, you can still do it. And keep answering questions. And this number keeps going up. And if you miss it, it's okay. Thanks for joining me. This is Be a Sponge.